At 2:47 in the morning, Sarah lies awake listening to her house breathe. The familiar sounds comfort her. Pipes settling, wood creaking, and the rhythmic drop of ice from her refrigerator. Drop, drop, drop. Every 30 seconds. Like clockwork. She's heard it for years. But tonight something feels wrong. The drops are coming faster. Drop, drop, drop. Every 10 seconds now. Then every 5. She walks to the kitchen, opens the refrigerator door, and checks the ice maker. Her blood turns cold. There is no ice maker. There never has been, yet the dropping continues from deep inside the appliance. Drop, drop, drop. Mechanical, precise, impossible. She opens the freezer with trembling hands. Dozens of perfectly formed ice cubes sit arranged on the shelf. They spell out 2 words. I'm here.